every year approximately 18 to 20 lakh students appear for NEET exam. Out of those, only a few students get a chance to pursue their dream to become doctor. So today, I'm going to make you meet some of those students who have not given up on their dream, who aspire to do MBBS. They are ready to fly towards their dream.
फिर सैर चला उड़ के छोड़ा है जहान नीच मैं तुम्हारे अब हूँ हवाले अब दूर दूर लोग बाग मीलों दूर ये वादियाँ फिर धुआं धुआं तन्हार बदली चली आती है छूने.
First of all, I want to know that since when you were dreaming about becoming doctor और आपकी ये जो MBBS की journey है कैसे शुरू हुई?
Actually, I got interested in biology in 12th mid, so that's how.
Yeah.
Very long story for doing MBBS.
I've been dreaming of becoming a doctor, I think, since 7th grade. And, the journey started because I had, started becoming excited, more developed, enthusiastic about the studies, MBBS, basically cancer treatment, radiation oncology. It just sparked inside me.
फिर धुआं धुआं तन्हार बदली चली आती है छूने और कोई बदली कभी कहीं कर दे तन गीला ये भी ना हो.
Why have you chosen abroad? Why not from India?
Abroad gives me many more opportunities than India, communication skills, social skills, and obviously the education also. So it is more helpful in personality development.
Great. And is there any specific reason that you have chosen Georgia National University SU? Like what attracted towards this university?
The infrastructure is very good, the teaching skills are nice, the artificial intelligence and all the manuscript, all are very good. So that is what attracted me.
Because one, the mental pressure is to a minimum, and two, the robotic surgery, that is something that attracted me first.
When did you get in touch with Atmiya Education?
Actually, I had seen very much videos about it and on YouTube. So they always recommended Atmiya, and I thought it is very good to trust Atmiya University, Atmiya. So I told my parents about it, and then we found it.
How was your experience with Atmiya Education?
Yes, it was nice. Arif sir is really nice. He has helped in every aspect. Like every doubt he has cleared. So yeah.
And as we have chosen Atmiya also, they have helped us a lot. And from beginning only, they have cooperated us very nicely. Everything, whatever we had a query, they have resolved all the queries, and they have helped us in many ways. So that is why we have chosen it, and we are comfortable that yes, they are going to give us very nice support and support as well.
For sure.
Yes.
Was it your dream also to
Yes,
like
because
make
my
a doctor?
elder son is doing his engineering. So I thought of like my daughter has to go in medicine, because medicine is a noble profession.
Yes,
actually. And he was also interested in medicine, but anyhow he changed his mind and gone into engineering. So I thought of like she should do it. So she was dreaming about it, and I never knew it. That she is also dreaming about it, and she later on told me that yeah, I also want to be doctor like my sister. So she was pursuing that in her mind that yes, I want to become a doctor.
किसी मंजर पर मैं रुका नहीं, कभी खुद से भी मैं मिला नहीं, ये गिला तो है मैं खफा नहीं. शहर एक से गांव, एक से लोग, एक से नाम, एक